Welcome to Prismberry. In this video, we are going to talk about an exceedingly fast and straightforward solution to manage the complete lifecycle of Kubernetes clusters. As per Gartner, companies that are unaware of the mistakes made in their cloud adoption will overspend by 20 to 50%. KubeOps from Prismberry simplifies complex operations like creating Kubernetes clusters across multiple clouds, installing applications on them. It addresses cloud overspend by monitoring health and resource usage and provides intelligent guidance and analytics. KubeOps run on bare metal servers, clouds with or without native Kubernetes support. Its simplified interfaces guide users on every step. Let's start by deploying a cluster first using KubeOps. To do that, you must sign up and log in to the KubeOps portal. Now that you have created an account, sign in to the KubeOps portal. After signing, you land up at the KubeOps homepage, where you'll see your active clusters and other menu options that you can also access from the sidebar. Now we'll guide you through creating a cluster with just a few simple clicks. Enter the name of the cluster and select the cloud provider. Here, we require the service account key of your project to give KubeOps permission to perform operations. This is a one-time import of your settings that is stored confidentially. Either you can cut-paste the data of the JSON file or upload the file. With this last step, here you set the configuration for your cluster according to your needs. To configure the cluster setup, you must minimally select the number of nodes, location type, Google Kubernetes version, in this case, type of image, and information related to the virtual machine. With this KubeOps main dashboard, you get a single control pane to view all your clusters. Now let's jump to Cloud Applications Management. Here, you can install, update, or delete any cloud app on the cluster. Select the cloud provider and cluster. Enter namespace, repo link, and app name, and select your required version. You can now able to see the details of your cloud application. As an enterprise, the next thing you would want is in-depth monitoring of your cluster and applications. You can do this by installing DataVision from Prismberry. When installing DataVision, select the cluster and the feature you want and check if you want to share your data with us. Here you go. This is how you are going to see the details of your cluster configurations and cloud applications in KubeOps. Here we show DataVision dashboards displaying cluster metrics. DataVision has built-in intelligent analytics on infrastructure resources usage, alerting on critical performance, and usage bottlenecks. It provides a single pane of visualization for all metrics associated with the cloud and applications, displaying them graphically along with the cost incurred and performance in real time. Here we show DataVision dashboards displaying cluster metrics. To know more about the details on all the metrics available in DataVision, see the DataVision user guide at the displayed link. Now we are going to upload around 2 GB's database of Stack Overflow, which contains 2 tables badges and comments. We are going to run a bash script to upload the database. Here you can see that as the database is uploaded, all the metrics are increasing, like memory usage, CPU usage, disk latency, disk read-write operations. We'll see the database and the tables which we've just uploaded. We've used a bash script to connect to MySQL. We can see that the database has 2 tables badges and comments, and they have from 1.5 million and 5 million rows approximately. You can clearly see that the metric for the whole cluster has been changed with our last operation. You can also see the details of all the operations that you've performed in the KubeOps logs in the home screen. As an enterprise has many users, this logging feature of KubeOps provides audit trails per user. As enterprise infrastructure demands change, you can delete any unneeded clusters that you need. You can also access KubeOps Quick Start Guide from the sidebar when in need. In summary, you saw KubeOps in action. For further details, see the user guide from the mentioned link or reach out to us at info@prismberry.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on KubeOps. We hope we can partner up with you for your cloud enterprise needs.